Hello folks, and welcome back to RC Gladiators. Today we will be talking about what does the LCD screen do, the brightly backlit screen. Well, first off, when I increase the throttle, as shown, that right there goes up and down depending on the level of throttle. It's at minimum throttle, right there. And it can go up to maximum throttle. Now, when I increase the throttle, these blades spin. They're spinning slowly. I go up to half, or almost half. They spin a little faster. When I go up to full, they spin even faster. And then if I go back down to minimum, they spin slower. You can clearly tell there's a difference. And the reason why I keep moving throttle up and down is to keep the screen from going black. Okay, if you're wondering what this is, if you're wondering what that is your yaw tips. And so, if I just get a little closer, you can see that they change depending on what direction I'm going in. If I go full left, then those lines go all the way, but they don't go all the way. If I go, see, it just went out, so I'm not moving up the throttle. And if I go full, wait, that was right, I'm sorry. If I go full left, then this goes all the way. Now, if you're wondering what this is, right there, that is your cyclic movements, which if I'm going forward, backwards, right or left, I'm going in a circle. You can see they adjust to the movements that I get. Now these are the trim tabs. The long beep is for center trim. So, yeah, and it works for all the same. Now, this right there, I wonder if I can get a bigger, clearer picture, but that is your signal. It depends for how strong of a signal you have. And this is not mode 1 or mode 2 for which direction your throttle is, but it's for mode 1 for your do rates. Mode 1 is for beginners and indoor flying, and I switch to mode 2. That's for experts in outdoor flying. Now if you can see, you see the yaw on mode 1, mode 2, mode 1, mode 2. The other side, mode 2, mode 1, mode 2, mode 1. It's the same thing for the cyclic. You can see mode 1. If I just go full left, you can see it adds on. Now, strange thing about this is that reverse doesn't move as far as all the other cyclics. See how that one goes up? See, right seems to get everything, and left doesn't. This doesn't. This doesn't. But right gets all the props. You could try mode 2. You can see now it reaches all the way on all of them, but it still goes the farthest to the right. I wonder what's the deal with that. But that wraps up this video on the what's this name of this helicopter? The FP100 4-channel helicopter. Oh yes. What is that stuff? What is that? That is transmitter battery level. You can see right now I'm at halfway, even though I just put these batteries in earlier today. And that just says bottom 4-channel. Don't know if you can see it, but don't know why. But that wraps up this video. See you guys later.